All right. It's this small sailboat project. I got pretty much the shape I wanted. I made the cockpit twice as long, more than twice as long. Put in the transom, super solid. I still got to close in all this. This is where the motor will be able to come up and down. Last time I made one of these, I made the transom too far back and it was just too heavy, because it's basically just a surfboard with a motor. So by putting the motor a third of the way up, well, from the back, and making the cockpit bigger, I'm able to put the center of gravity much more towards the middle where it needs to be. And this is going to give me some extra flotation in the back so it doesn't squat, you know. Yeah, fun little project. I got this sucker $50 over a year ago, and yeah, I built a little, I don't know what you'd call it. Maybe it's a trailer, maybe it's a wheelbarrow. Just made some wooden wheels. Yep, and it works. I can move it back and forth. Make sure it doesn't get rained on. Yeah. About halfway done with the fiberglass. There's a good boys. Oh yeah. You having fun? Yeah.